BMW is actively working on the planned facelift of its current flagship sedan, the 7th generation 7 Series, which debuted in 2022. Despite its controversial design and mixed public reception, the model has been showing excellent sales worldwide, even outperforming its main rival, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, in several key markets. However, BMW has no intention of resting on its laurels. The company is already testing an updated version, with the premiere expected in the first half of 2026. The history of the 7 Series began in 1977 with the E23 generation. At the time, BMW set a new benchmark in the luxury sedan segment, offering technologies that were ahead of their time, such as an onboard computer, anti-lock braking system, and other innovations. However, not everything in this history was smooth. One of the most controversial generations was the E65, with its provocative design by Chris Bangle. Meanwhile, the current G70 generation has become a symbol of boldness and engineering ambition. Split front headlights, a vertical kidney grille, and a wealth of advanced technologies. Recent spy shots confirm that BMW is not planning to abandon its controversial design language. Camouflage on prototypes is increasingly revealing key design elements. For example, a thin LED strip for daytime running lights can be seen at the top of the front end, with the main headlight unit positioned below, confirming that the signature split headlight design will remain. At the rear, new tail lights are visible, with a wide horizontal LED strip whose shape and proportions appear close to production ready. There's a chance that the light strip will be interrupted by the BMW logo, a design feature previously shown on the 2023 Vision New Classic concept. This signals that BMW is increasingly integrating concept car elements into production models. Interestingly, one of the prototypes was spotted with an exhaust pipe, an indicator that this is an internal combustion engine version rather than the all-electric i7. No major changes are expected in the powertrain lineup. All gasoline versions will continue with the 48-volt mild hybrid system. The base 735i model will retain the B58 3-liter inline-6 engine with 300 horsepower and 425 newton-meters of torque. A more powerful variant of the same engine will offer 380 horsepower and 540 newton-meters of torque. The 4.4-liter S68 will also remain available in select markets. A welcome note for diesel fans: BMW is not abandoning diesel. The 3-liter B57 engine will produce over 300 horsepower and an impressive 670 newton-meters of torque. The flagship M760i version will stay on a hybrid platform featuring a 3-liter turbocharged inline-6 with its power boosted to 600 horsepower, an excellent confirmation that BMW continues to prioritize efficiency without sacrificing performance. While exterior changes are expected to be evolutionary, the interior is poised for a major redesign. According to leaks and spy shots, BMW will abandon the current iDrive 8 configuration with dual screens. Instead, a central touchscreen and a new panoramic vision projection system spanning the entire width of the windshield, from pillar to pillar, will be introduced. The innovative iDrive X multimedia platform will debut not in the 7 Series, but in the next-generation BMW i3 built on the New Classic architecture. Nevertheless, the 7 Series will receive an improved version of the new digital interface. According to preliminary information, production of the updated 7 Series will begin in July 2026. This means the official debut is expected no earlier than late winter or early spring of the same year. Given the rapid pace of development, we may see the final version in the coming months, perhaps as a pre-production prototype at auto shows or in official brand teasers.